Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you a simple technique using which you can see the health status of your hard drive or SSD. To begin with, simply go to this web page. I'll give the link in the video description. Scroll down and click on download here. Now here you can download the tool in several themes. Select the theme you want and click on zip to download the file. I have already downloaded the file, so after you download it, simply extract the contents of the file. Now based on your system architecture, you will use the 32-bit or 64-bit file. To see that, go to system information and in the system type you can see whether your system is 32 or 64-bit. So accordingly you run the file as administrator. Now once the software loads, you can see the status of your hard drive. Here you can see it is 97%. That means there is a wear and tear of 3% in its entire lifetime till date. Now this is my second SSD and the status is good. You can also see the other parameters of the drive, and this is one of my external hard drive and the status is also good. Now from here you can copy or save the information of your drive. If you go to function, you will see different functions which you can use. In the alert function you can keep this turned on. In the language tab, you can select your region and change the language accordingly. So in the function tab, you'll get this option, keep running in system tray. If you click it, it will display the current temperature of all the drives installed on your PC. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.